They banned these 50 email hacks in Europe, and the 52 funnels I'm about to show you? Lawyers are already drafting lawsuits. But here's the good news. The link below lets you steal both hijack traffic, plug in your payment link, and keep 100% profit. Click now, or stay at the mercy of algorithms. Your choice. 50 email list. Hacks to force subscribers to enter their email address. 1. The $1 million quiz hook. What's your wealth personality? Email required for results. 2. Hijack close tab clicks. Wait, get this free $10,000 a month blueprint before you leave. 3. Steal Reddit AMA traffic. Answer, how do I start? Posts with DM email for the toolkit. 4. Banned in Europe. Pop-up, unlock this forbidden growth hack. Email required. 5. Sell pain over solutions. Tired of 5 subscribers a month? Fix it now. Subscribe. 6. Gate viral memes. Want this profit meme? Trade your email to laugh and earn. 7. Name your price. Opt in. Pay $0 or $100. Just give us your email. 8. YouTube's binge trap. End videos with subscribe for part 2. PLR funnels inside. 9. Fake password. Walls. Enter email to access this secret page. PLR vault inside. 10. Free LinkedIn strategy. Comment, I'll DM you the free guide on viral posts. 11. Scarcity overload. Only 50 spots left. Subscribe or miss the PLR goldmine. 12. PLR lead magnets. Get our done-for-you funnel templates. Email required. 13. Anti-advice. Hook. Most email advice sucks. Here's what works. Free download. 14. Pinterest traffic hack. Pin free email swipes that require opt-in. 15. Beg and footer. Psst. Want the cheat code? We'll email it. PLR bonus inside. 16. Hijack competitors. Run ads to their fans. Their method is dead. Get ours free. 17. Mystery box. Tactic. Enter email to unlock the surprise gift. PLR templates. 18. Webinar submachines. Free training, 90% stay for the PLR demo, upsell later. 19. Reverse psychology. CTAs. Don't subscribe unless you want 500 free leads a month. 20. Guilty pleasure. Survey. Admit your bad habit. Get the fix. Email required. 21. 404-page hijack. Lost? Here's a free map to $50,000 emails. PLR cheat sheet inside. 22. Celebrity tagging hack. Tag 3 friends for the free guide. We'll email all of you. 23. Nuclear welcome email. Reply yes for 20 PLR funnels worth $2,000. 24. Plot twist. Hook. The last tip will shock you. Subscribe to see it. 25. Link that solves everything. Click below to steal the system that got me a whopping 250,000 emails. 26. Expired coupon. Scarcity. This offer expired unless you subscribe now. 27. PLR swipe file. Bribe. Get 100 done-for-you emails. Email required. 28. Hijack trending tweets. Quote, tweet with DM me gift for the free guide. 29. Broken link. Hijack. Redirect dead links to a lead magnet page. 30. Confession. Opt-in. I used to suck at emails. Here's how I fixed it. Free PDF. 31. TikTok. DM for gift. Stitch viral videos with comment email for the hack. 32. Secret society landing page. Join the inner circle. Email required. 33. PLR case study. Gate. How I made $50,000 in 30 days. Download the proof. 34. Free audit. Hook. Let me fix your email strategy. Free report via email. 35. Shame-based CTA. Don't be like 95% of failures. Subscribe now. 36. Hijack Amazon reviews. Love this product? Get my free bonus guide. Email required. 37. Illegal AI bot. This AI writes emails so good, they banned it. Subscribe for access. 38. PLR predictions. Hook. 2025's biggest trend revealed. Email required. 39. Stolen funnel hack. I pirated this strategy from a millionaire. Free download. 40. Burner email blocker. Use a real email or pay 50% more. 41. Exposed. lead magnet. The email trick they fired me for sharing, free PDF. 42. Anonymous, survey. How much do you suck at emails? Get the fix, email required. 43. Controversial webinar, why your emails fail, free replay via email. 44. PLR, black market. Hook. Get the PLR big tech hates, email required. 45. Time machine. Opt in. Get 2025's hottest strategies early. Subscribe now. 46. Fake error message. Oops! Enter your email to fix this page. 47. Celebrity email hack. How I got famous person's emails, free template. 48. Ethical bribe. Subscribe and I'll donate $1 to charity. 49. PLR Vault Countdown. This free PLR bundle disappears in 24 hours. 50. Nuclear option. The link below forces visitors to beg to join your list. Smash it. If you're still watching, you're either a genius or a glutton for punishment. Click the link directly below to automate your email profits, or keep crying over your empty inbox. Smash subscribe, hit the bell, and go turn strangers into addicts. Peace.